Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to view directly the top and the bottom part of any website page using only computer keyboard. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now let me show you by opening any web browser, and since I have opened one website already, so you can see this is a website, right? So you can see a bottom part. Right now I'm using a computer mouse, so I'll not use mouse on this tutorial. So how you can move from top to the bottom without using a mouse, that is simply we'll gonna use with a computer keyboard only. So how you can do that? So for this, on your computer keyboard, what you need to do, you can see on the right side you can see a button written home and end, right? If you're using a laptop, still you will see that button written on the right side. Just check it out by yourself to see whether there is a home and end button. And so if you want to scroll directly to the bottom part of any website page, then just click on end if you're using a computer desktop keyboard, and if you're using a laptop keyboard, then you can see one button written as FN. You need to click on that FN along with the end button to move directly to the bottom part of any website page. So let me click on the end button, so you can see it directly moved to the bottom part of the website page. So if you want to move back to the top part of any website page, then just click on home button, and if you're using a laptop, then similarly do the same thing by pressing the FN plus home button to move to the top part of any website. So just click on home button. Voila, now you can see by using these two keyboard buttons named as home and end button, you can view directly the top and the bottom part of any website using just a computer keyboard. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then definitely you should try it out. And if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.